Hi guys, this is Ankit. The topic today is how to interface 16x2 LCD with Arduino Uno and run with basic example. So let's go to the video. For this project, the material we use are Arduino Uno board, 16x2 LCD module, one 10K potentiometer, USB cable for connecting Arduino to PC, some jumper wire cables, and a breadboard. Now the first step is to interface LCD with Arduino. The LCD module consists 16 pins in which the first pin, fifth pin and the 16th pin is connected to ground. Connected all the three wires in breadboard in parallel. The second pin and the 15th pin is connected to 5V of the Arduino board. Now the third pin of the LCD is connected to the signal pin of potentiometer. The right side of the pin of potentiometer is connected to ground and the left side pin of potentiometer is connected to 5V. The fourth pin of LCD is a register select pin and this pin is connected to pin number 2 of the Arduino board. The sixth pin is enable pin and is connected to third pin of the Arduino board. The pin number 14 of the LCD is connected to pin number 7 of the Arduino board. The pin number 13 of the LCD is connected to pin number 6 of the Arduino board. The pin number 12 is connected to pin number 5 of the Arduino board. And the last pin, pin number 11 is connected to pin number 4 of the Arduino board. The parallel 5V pin is connected to 5V of the Arduino board. The parallel ground pin is connected to ground of the Arduino board. These all 4 pins is not connected pins and these pins are not used. Connect the Arduino to computer using data cable. Simply open the Arduino IDE software. Go to the tools section and select board to Arduino Uno. Go to the file section, go to the examples, go to the liquid crystal and select Hello World program. Scroll down. This pins is select and delete and write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These pins are used in the following circuit. Compile this program. The compilation and verification is successfully completed. Now upload the program to the board. The uploading is successfully completed. Move the potentiometer to the right position. The Hello World program is successfully run. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel.